Plant FAQs. Phalaenopsis schilleriana. Phalaenopsis schilleriana. A beginner's guide to Schiller's Phalaenopsis. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of a captivating orchid species, the Phalaenopsis schilleriana, also known as Schiller's Phalaenopsis. This beauty from the Philippines is prized for its stunning looks and surprising ease of care. Whether you're a seasoned orchid enthusiast or a curious newbie, the Phalaenopsis schilleriana might just be your perfect match. See more 89 species in genus Phalaenopsis at monsteraholic.com. What is a Phalaenopsis schilleriana? The Phalaenopsis schilleriana is an epiphytic orchid, meaning it naturally grows on trees or other plants in the wild. It boasts long, thick roots that absorb moisture from the air and its surroundings. The crown jewel of this orchid is its foliage. Unlike the uniform green leaves of many Phalaenopsis hybrids, the schilleriana features stunning mottled leaves. These leaves are fleshy and add a unique textural element to the plant. But the real showstopper is the flower display. Phalaenopsis schilleriana produces cascading sprays of delicate, fragrant pink blooms. These flowers can reach up to 3.6 inches, 9 centimeters, in diameter, and a mature plant can produce over 100 blooms at once. The fragrance is often described as sweet and slightly citrusy, adding another layer of enjoyment to owning this orchid. Is the Phalaenopsis schilleriana easy to care for? Many orchid enthusiasts consider the Phalaenopsis schilleriana to be one of the easiest species orchids to grow. Compared to some of its more delicate cousins, the schilleriana is relatively tolerant of a wider range of conditions. This makes it a great choice for beginners who might be nervous about venturing into the world of orchids. Here are some key things to keep in mind when caring for your Phalaenopsis schilleriana. Light. Unlike some orchids that require very bright light, the Phalaenopsis schilleriana prefers filtered or indirect light. South-facing windows can be too harsh, so consider east or north-facing windows or a spot a few feet back from a brighter window. Watering. One of the biggest challenges for new orchid owners is watering. The key is to avoid soggy roots, which can lead to rot. Opt for a well-draining potting medium like orchid bark and water thoroughly when the roots turn silver gray. Allow the medium to dry out slightly between waterings. Humidity. Orchids generally love humidity. Aim for around 50 to 60% humidity for your Phalaenopsis schilleriana. Grouping your plants together or using a humidifier can help create a more humid environment. Temperature. The Phalaenopsis schilleriana thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing your orchid near cold drafts or heat sources. Fertilizer. During the growing season, you can fertilize your Phalaenopsis schilleriana with a balanced orchid fertilizer once a month. However, be sure to dilute it to half strength to avoid burning the roots. Phalaenopsis hybrids, the commonly available moth orchids in stores, are often hailed as easy care plants. So, how does the Phalaenopsis schilleriana compare? Care. Both the schilleriana and many Phalaenopsis hybrids share similar care requirements in terms of light, watering, and temperature. However, the schilleriana might require slightly more attention to humidity compared to some hybrids. Flowers. Phalaenopsis hybrids come in a wider variety of flower colors, shapes, and sizes. The schilleriana offers a more limited color palette, but makes up for it with its unique, cascading flower sprays and delightful fragrance. Growth habit. Phalaenopsis hybrids are typically compact and upright, making them ideal for smaller spaces. The schilleriana has a cascading growth habit, so it might require mounting or a pot that allows the flower spikes to dangle freely. Where to buy a Phalaenopsis schilleriana? While not as ubiquitous as Phalaenopsis hybrids, you can find Phalaenopsis schilleriana at some specialty orchid nurseries and online retailers. Be sure to choose a reputable seller that offers healthy plants. Final thoughts. The Phalaenopsis schilleriana is a captivating orchid that offers a unique combination of beautiful foliage, fragrant flowers, and relative ease of care. Whether you're a seasoned orchid collector or a curious beginner, this stunning species is sure to add a touch of elegance and exotic charm to your home. So, why not give the Phalaenopsis schilleriana a try? With a little care, you can enjoy its beauty for years to come.